my personal opinion about it is that a network of people who communicate online are not necessarily a community. And one of the things that signals the formation of community is that they begin to enforce norms. There's a lot of bad stuff going on online now. There was a lot of bad stuff going online all the time. Now there's just a lot more people online. And when I started writing the book, the thought that occurred to me that I thought about a lot was, what's the most important thing about this communication medium if, as we believe, a lot of people are going to be using it? And that brought me to the idea of the public sphere that political philosophers had been talking about that I had not known about until I asked. And it's the idea that democracy is not just about voting for your leaders. It's about having a population who are free enough to communicate and educated enough to have conversations that form public opinion, and that public opinion would influence policy. And there's a lot of bugs in that, particularly these days. And I'd have to say that the critical uncertainty was, will the public sphere be improved by people communicating online? Will democracy be improved? Will individuals have more freedom? And I have to say that I don't feel very optimistic or hopeful about that now. But the difference between optimism and hopefulness is that hope is a choice. And so I think one of the things that everybody in this room can do is to think about how might we improve the public sphere. I don't know that you can do it in a top-down way, and I do think that education has a great deal to do with it, and our schools, our educational institutions certainly aren't meeting that challenge.